start. वो technical support. Okay. Okay. I think all participants are joined. Respected Principal Sir, Dr. Chandrasekhar Singh, our resource person, Dr. Santosh Kumar, District Project Manager, Jeevika Patna, all collected faculty members and their students. Today, we are going to organize a webinar on time management in NGP Patna Tera under the guidance and innovative ideas of respected Principal Sir. Dear participants, as we all know that time is precious for all of us, in which those who manage themselves very well with time can achieve their goals. But contrary to this, those who do not manage their time, ultimately they does not achieve their goal or not reach the target that they had set. What is the time management? Time management, we all know what is time management, but I think time management is nothing but it is a self-management in which we organize ourselves with time for productive achievement. Productive achievement means we improve our personality to enrich this. Even during this COVID period, we have learned very much things and we will improve our technical efficiency and we will utilize our time with knowledging things. So I welcome to all participants who join this webinar. I hope and I'm also sure that it will be an enriching session for all of us. So again, to thanks a lot to our principal sir and colleagues for starting webinar. Now I will like to request our respected principal sir to deliver his keynote address to all of us. Principal sir.
Good morning, everybody. I especially thanks Dr. Anupma ji to organize on such a wonderful topic, that is time management. First of all, I welcome my learned speaker, Dr. Santosh Kumar, who has given us his precious time. As all of us know, he is a very busy person. It is very difficult to spare time of an administrative officer to spare the time. It is just next to impossible, but he has spared the time. So I am very thankful to Dr. Santosh Kumar ji. I am welcoming this all my faculty members, students and colleagues to this webinar. This COVID-19 crisis has given the opportunity to learn from online e-learning platforms. As our technical course has already completed, our students are preparing for their end semester exam, or the final year students, they are preparing for their career. So this topic of the time management is very important for their life, for their career. Keeping in this view, we have arranged a seminar, and hopefully all of our students will learn the time management. This is the one of the key to start a good career. As we know, all our students, while in the years of education, the time management is one of the most important things to give a start to your career. Once you reach your teenage, you must follow the route to effective time management. You should remember this always, that in your life, you are granted with a good news and a bad news. The bad news is that time flies, while the good news is that you are the pilot of that flight. You have to manage the time so that you can success in your life. And you know, the success doesn't mean being happy, but the success means that your life should be useful to others. Your life should be honorable, to be compassionate, to make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Charles Darwin, as you know, an English naturalist and geologist, best known for his contribution to the science for evaluation, once said, "A man who dares to waste an hour of life has not discovered the value of life." जो अपने जिंदगी का 1 घंटा भी व्यर्थ गंवाता है, वो अपने जिंदगी के महत्व को नहीं जानता. Definitely, time is the key to success. It is undeniable truth that every living being into existence has a limited span of time. The only difference being that some have a more while some have a little less than others. The Lord Chesterfield has told that take care of the minutes and the hours will take care of themselves. Time is one of those precious things that has the powers to turn into a billionaire or a beggar at the same time. All that you need to do is to take control over time before it takes control over you. It is the most valuable coin in your life, and you being the owner must determine how, when, and where to spend it. Dear students, don't get confused with to do and what not to do. Which task to be put first on your priority list and which one to be put last. Don't worry, we are here with our expert speaker, Dr. Santosh Kumar ji, who will definitely help you out. As we know, you people are busy with the exam preparation. Just to relieve your tension or a stress of your examination, we have arranged this topic of time management, and hopefully you will listen, you will understand, and you will know. Not only that, you will implement also the time management in your life, and you will reap all the benefit of this webinar. In short, our technical expert is there to elaborate the time management. But we want to mention one thing, that just like each one of us gets only 24 hours in a day, the time management is something that is important for every living being in order to follow the path of success. We often subscribe to the idea that staying busy means we are working hard. बहुत व्यस्त हूं मुझे बहुत काम करना पड़ता है, मैं बहुत हार्ड वर्कर हूं, बहुत बिजी हूं. No, और इतना कह देने पे we rest assured of our success. Well, such thought unfortunately prove us wrong. For instance, if you spend your whole day completing numerous tasks at a time, you would end up missing all the tasks, and neither of your report would give you the end result. Rather, if you would have allotted few hours separately to each of the important tasks, all of them would have been completed efficiently at the end of the day. एक काम को लीजिए, एक काम खत्म कीजिए, फिर दूसरा काम लीजिए, दूसरे काम को खत्म कीजिए, प्रॉपर प्लान कीजिए, एक एक काम को एक एक बार खत्म कीजिए. सब काम एक बार उठाइएगा, सब काम मिस हो जाएगा और पूर्ण कोई काम नहीं होगा. This is where we realize the importance of effective time management. And thus we need to learn how to work smarter and not just harder. Our learner speaker will give you all the tips required for the time management. So I am handing over the platform to our speaker. And once again, I welcome all our faculty members, the principals, teachers, and students to concentrate on the topic and implement all the tools which we are going to discuss today. Once again, I thanks our learned speaker to spare the time from his busy administrative schedule. Thanks, Dr. Santosh Kumar. Thanks, Dr. Anupma. Anupma ji, over.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable words for give inspiration to all of us. Now I request Dr. Santosh Kumar, DPM Jivika, to deliver their words. Over to sir. You hear me, sir? Unmute. Please unmute करें sir. Okay,
hello.
Okay,
good afternoon to all of you and respected principal sir and team NGP Patna जिन्होंने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया है आपके साथ कनेक्ट होने के लिए. मैं देख रहा हूँ अब तक 265 पार्टिसिपेंट फैकल्टी and well as a student has been connected. Really, it's an opportunity for me also to be connected with you all and hope I will come up to your expectation. तो मैं सीधे बात करूं तो देखा जाए टाइम मैनेजमेंट पे सर ने भी प्रिंसिपल सर ने भी काफी ब्रीफ में नट चीजों को प्रेजेंट किया कि टाइम कितना इम्पोर्टेंस है. बैड न्यूज ये है कि टाइम फ्लाई करता है और गुड न्यूज है कि यू आर द पायलट ऑफ द फ्लाइट. तो इसको लेके हम किस तरह आगे बढ़े, अपने शेड्यूल को डे टू डे लाइफ को कैसे मैनेज करें, इसको लेके मैं आपसे इंटरेक्ट करूंगा, मैं आपसे बातें करूंगा और मैं आपको जो भी मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है उस पर मैं डिटेल्स में जाऊंगा. मैं पीपीटी आपको लगा रहा हूं और उसके बाद में आप देखेंगे पीपीटी और मैं अकॉर्डिंगली आपसे बात करूंगा. तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट बेसिकली इट्स एन आर्ट. टाइम मैनेजमेंट time management is an art. It is arranging ऑर्गेनाइजिंग आवरसेल्फ एंड बजटिंग टाइम। 24 आवर जैसा सर ने भी कहा, 24 आवर को हम किस तरह बजटिंग करते हैं, कौन कौन से टास्क के लिए करते हैं और क्या हमें आउटपुट चाहिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड टाइम मैनेजमेंट। और उसमें अमाउंट में हम कितना पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी पे कंट्रोल कर पाते हैं और उससे हम क्या आउटपुट लेके आते हैं, प्रोडक्टिव कितना लेके आते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड टाइम मैनेजमेंट। टाइम मैनेजमेंट यही है। और इसमें कही जाए तो 4 आदतें ह्यूमन में है, संसार में। समय का पालन और यथार्थ दृष्टि जो होनी चाहिए, कर्तव्य परायणता होनी चाहिए और कार्य कुशलता। इन 4 आदतों के बल पे कोई भी मनुष्य बड़े से बड़ी सफलताएं हासिल कर सकता है। तो ये बेसिक चीजें हैं, इससे आगे भी हम जाएंगे। अब वी ऑल हैव 4 टाइप ऑफ वेल्थ। थोड़ा सा स्लाइड्स हेजी आ रहा है। Sorry for interruption. We all have 4 type of wealth. First is our body, second is idea, third is money, and other is wealth, time. Yes. हाँ, जैसा देख रहे हैं कि 4 टाइप ऑफ वेल्थ में बॉडी की बात करें तो बॉडी हमारी तभी प्रॉपर रह पाती है जब हम someone is disturbing.